Yeah, CapEx is just one parameter. Often the OpEx plays a much bigger role. So depending on the power price, the OpEx is in this total cost of ownership calculation often 60 to 80% of the total cost. So actually, I can only echo the statements of Michael that it's often worth it, very much worth it, to invest a little bit more upfront in order to lower the OpEx over the entire lifetime of a plant. So this is especially the efficiency, as already mentioned. So the higher the efficiency, the lower the power cost, because power is the most important cost factor in this calculation, but also in all the other parts like maintenance. So if the equipment has got is very robust and requires very little maintenance, then we lower the OpEx even further and will achieve also a very long lifetime of the equipment. So this is what we achieve with our rugged cell technology. So with inexpensive materials and operating it gently and not putting too much stress on this technology, it lasts very long. And we do not need to exchange our stacks after a certain period of time. So it's really designed to last more than 20 years. And we are currently collaborating with a customer in South America who has run our technology for more than 40 years. I think that's the best testimony for it. And we now asking actually for a revamp after more than 40 years of operation. And this is what we still target. Because this is really driving down the costs at the end. There's also another element. Hydrogen is the main product, but we are always searching also for a second product from the electrolysis. And there's a natural one, a byproduct, that is the oxygen. Unfortunately, this oxygen doesn't have a high market value, so it's very difficult to commercialize it. But especially in key DH technologies that I need, we also have another technology to extract deuterium from the electrolysis. Deuterium is an isotope, a natural isotope of hydrogen, of course, only with very little concentration in natural water, which is around 140, 150 ppm. And there's a very high value of this deuterium or heavy water in the nuclear market, but also in the non-nuclear market. And this is what we target, the non-nuclear market. And this goes into semiconductors, goes into glass fiber production, and goes also into life science. And we can add further equipment to extract this deuterium from the water electrolysis without affecting the hydrogen production, and pay the operator a fee, which will be a subsidy to his OpEx. And will improve also his economics aspect. So this is how we try to support our customers and add value to their business cases.
And maybe just to add, I mean, hope it's okay if I share, but I mean, you just recently shared this example of an potential investment project that we looked at, and the customer expectation on efficiency was a certain percentage, but then we were able to show that our combined system actually has, I think it was 2.5 percentage points better. And you can only calculate, how big of an impact that is over the life cycle of the entire investment. So you might think it's just, a percentage point or two, but it has a huge impact on the overall cost of ownership.